Hey Roblox developers! Want to create cinematic cutscenes in Roblox Studio fast and easy? You're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Open Roblox Studio and start a new base plate or open your game. Build the scene where your cutscene will happen. Need specific camera angles? Insert parts and rename them to something like Cutscene Cam 1, Cutscene Cam 2, and so on. Position them for your desired views, set their transparency to 1, and can collide to false. Duplicate for each camera angle you need. Step 2. The local script. In starter player scripts, create a new local script and name it Cutscene Script. Here's the basic structure. Use services like Players, Workspace, and Tween Service. Define your camera points, fade duration, and delay. Step 3. Writing the code. Use functions like Fade Screen to manage screen fades, Set Camera to set initial positions, and Tween Camera for smooth transitions. Display cutscene text with Display Cutscene Text. The main function, Start Cutscene, will orchestrate everything. Disable player movement, fade out, hide UI, set camera, and loop through camera points. Finally, fade back in, re-enable player movement and UI, and clean up. Triggering the cutscene, use player.character added for intro cutscenes, or trigger via remote event for specific game events. Even a UI button click works. Test and refine your cutscene by experimenting with camera points and duration. Add features like dialogue systems, object animations, and sound effects to enhance the experience. Remember to storyboard, keep it engaging, and consider adding a skip option for players. That's it. You've got the basics to create awesome cutscenes in Roblox Studio.